Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding C# Reflection for Dynamic Member Access. Introduction. In Python, you can access an object's attributes using the __dict__ attribute, which returns a dictionary containing the object's members and their values. C# doesn't have a direct equivalent to __dict__, but you can achieve similar functionality using reflection. This tutorial will explain how to use C# reflection to access and manipulate an object's members dynamically. Prerequisites. To follow this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of C# programming and object-oriented concepts. Table of contents. What is __dict__ in Python? Using C# reflection. Retrieving and modifying object members. Example code. Conclusion. What is __dict__ in Python? In Python, every object has a __dict__ attribute that contains the object's attributes, members, as key value pairs. This allows dynamic access and manipulation of an object's attributes. C# doesn't provide a direct equivalent, so we need to use reflection. Using C# reflection. Reflection is a powerful feature in C# that allows you to inspect and manipulate types, objects, properties, methods, and fields at runtime. To use reflection for dynamic member access, you need to reference the system.reflection namespace. Retrieving and modifying object members. To access an object's members dynamically, follow these steps. A. Get the type of the object. B. Use the get field, get property, or get method methods to access the desired members. C. Call get value to retrieve the member's value, or set value to modify it. Example code. Let's create a simple example to demonstrate dynamic member access using reflection. In this example, we create a sample object with name and age properties. We use reflection to access and modify these members dynamically. ChatGPT. In Python, the __dict__ attribute is a dictionary that contains all the attributes and methods of an object. It allows you to access and manipulate these attributes dynamically. In C#, there is no direct equivalent to Python's __dict__. However, C# offers a way to achieve similar functionality using reflection. In this tutorial, we will explore how you can work with C# to achieve similar functionality as Python's __dict__. We'll cover how to access and modify object properties and methods dynamically. Reflection in C# allows you to examine the metadata of assemblies, modules, and types at runtime. It provides the ability to inspect and manipulate objects dynamically. To use reflection, you'll need to import the system.reflection namespace. To access an object's properties dynamically, you can use the property info class from the system.reflection namespace. Here's how you can do it. Here's an example of how to use this method. You can also modify an object's properties dynamically using reflection. Here's an example of how to use this method. To access object methods dynamically, you can use the method info class from the system.reflection namespace. Here's how to do it. Here's an example of how to use this method. C# does not provide direct means to modify object methods at runtime. Unlike Python's __dict__, C# is statically typed, so methods cannot be changed or added dynamically. While reflection in C# provides a way to access and manipulate object properties and methods dynamically, it has some limitations and should be used with caution. In conclusion, C# doesn't have a direct equivalent to Python's __dict__, but you can use reflection to access and modify object properties and methods dynamically. Be mindful of the limitations and best practices associated with reflection when using it in your C# code. ChatGPT. Title: Exploring C# Reflection for Object Attributes. Introduction. In Python, you can access an object's attributes using the __dict__ attribute, which is a dictionary that holds the object's attributes and their values. While C# doesn't have a direct equivalent of Python's __dict__, you can achieve similar functionality using reflection. In this tutorial, we will explore how to access an object's attributes in C# and retrieve their values using reflection. Prerequisites. Step 1. Create a C# class. First, create a C# class with some attributes that you want to access. For this tutorial, let's create a simple class called person. Step 2. Accessing object attributes using reflection. Reflection in C# allows you to inspect and interact with the metadata and attributes of types at runtime. To access an object's attributes, you can use the type class from the system namespace. Here's a code example demonstrating how to access object attributes using reflection. In this example, Step 3, running the code. Compile and run the C# code, and you'll see the object's attributes and their values printed to the console. Conclusion. While C# doesn't have a direct equivalent of Python's __dict__, you can access an object's attributes and values using reflection. This allows you to inspect and work with the attributes of an object at runtime, similar to Python's __dict__. Remember that reflection can be powerful but should be used with care, as it can impact performance and type safety. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding C# Reflection for a Pythonic dict equivalent. Introduction. Python developers are familiar with the __dict__ attribute, which provides a dictionary-like interface to access an object's attributes and their values. In C#, there is no direct equivalent to __dict__, but you can achieve similar functionality using reflection. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use C# reflection to access and manipulate object attributes as if you were working with Python's __dict__. Prerequisites. First, let's create a sample C# class to work with. We'll mimic a Python object's attributes using a C# class. Reflection is a powerful feature in C# that allows you to inspect and manipulate objects at runtime. We can use reflection to mimic Python's __dict___ functionality in C#. Here's how you can do it. In the above code, compile and run the C# code. You'll see that you can set and get attributes of the person object, similar to how you'd use __dict__ in Python. While C# doesn't have a direct equivalent to Python's __dict__, you can achieve similar functionality using reflection. By creating extension methods to set and get attributes, you can access and manipulate object attributes in a manner reminiscent of Python. Be cautious when using reflection, as it can have performance implications and is generally less type-safe than typical C# code. ChatGPT.